The pretty fundamentally current exchanging volume of torrential slide explicitly is at $230,133,645, which generally is very huge. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline in an unpretentious manner, which is very critical. Avax United States dollar medium-term support in a real sense remained at $13.68, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Torrential slides EMA10 especially shows a very descending pattern in an especially enormous manner in a significant way. 01 November 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for the following week, and generally by and large attempt to answer these regularly, most certainly sort of sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What quite is momentary cost expectation for torrential slide, by and large is Avax an essentially wise speculation, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so forth, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Yet, prior to plunging especially profound into the Avax specialized examination, by and large, let us basically discuss the especially current economic situations, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive way. Market investigation over the especially last 24 hours, there especially truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,274,197,578,029, which sort of in a real sense is genuinely critical, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The fundamentally complete exchanging volume especially remains at $38,276,473,690, or so they by and large thought in a genuinely huge manner. Bitcoin shares 52.79% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in a genuinely significant manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,442.45 level after a vertical development of 0.09% amazingly. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.17%, coming to $1,804.27 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely enormous manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.77, following a value change of 1.19% within a similar time period, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP, the pretty in every way that really matters, local coin of XRP especially, is up by 4.86 and presently exchanging at 60 cents in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, truly further appearance how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,274,197,578,029, or so they especially thought, which is genuinely critical. These occasions entirely demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a very of descending course for especially sort of present moment, so torrential slide support and opposition levels and so on, which especially is genuinely huge. Right now, a genuinely broad, reasonably for the most part regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a by and large significant manner. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly basically are significant specialized markers used to explicitly truly recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unobtrusive manner. Support basically especially is a level at which purchasers sort of become commonly more genuinely dynamic and by and large explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which especially is very huge. Similarly, opposition especially by and large is a level at which dealers especially in a real sense become move commonly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving most certainly higher in an especially really significant manner. Following essentially are the help and opposition levels of torrential slide, Avax torrential slide execution. The truly current torrential slide cost in a real sense is $11.18, with an exchanging volume of $230,133,645 in the very beyond 24 hours. Showing how torrential slide backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally for the most part distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which explicitly is genuinely critical. As of now, Avax for the most part is somewhere near 3.5% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $3,970,358,079 United States dollars, which essentially shows that right now, a sort of commonly broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide value examination Avax cost investigation for 01 November 2023, inside a sort of everyday time span, especially made sense of beneath, in a kind of most certainly significant manner. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly truly straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving extremely normal, EMA, to explicitly investigate the future development of the torrential slide. Which explicitly shows that torrential slide value examination of Avax cost investigation for 01 November 2023, inside a day-to-day time period by and large made sense of beneath, which fundamentally in every practical sense is genuinely huge, which is very critical. While Avax's Williams %R marker explicitly is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange kind of truly signal for the most part is truly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that the actually quite current exchanging volume of torrential slide basically is at $230,133,645, which truly is genuinely critical, or so they sort of thought. The Avax United States dollar moving kind of normal combination and dissimilarity (MACD) marker certainly is demonstrating a sort of present moment explicitly sell most certainly signal, as the MACD line especially is moving underneath, especially signal line, which especially for the most part implies by and large bears especially are ruling in the market in a really significant way. The torrential slide generally has in a real sense break all its sort of by and large backings levels, and things truly are not looking very great for the crypto market in every way that really matters, most certainly further appearance how Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, or so they for the most part thought. Right now, explicitly bears generally in a real sense are in charge of the market and effectively in a real sense basically take Avax cost underneath the critical help level of $14.76, which sort of shows that XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, is up by 4.86 and at present exchanging at 60 cents, which truly is genuinely huge in an unpretentious manner. The overall strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Avax coin basically is in oversold stage, as RSI generally is at 29, for the most part further appearance, how support essentially in a real sense is a level at which purchasers explicitly become genuinely more certainly genuinely dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they for the most part thought. Which is genuinely critical. Ends as per the torrential slide, Avax cost examination, the by and large bears truly have in every practical